Good day, friends. This is Given from Techno Drive. Thank you once again for tuning to our channel and subscribing. It really makes a difference. Today we've got a 5 kilowatt inverter. I know many of you are watching this video because you've got a problem with the inverter. So we are having an error 53 on the inverter. So I'm going to strip and then we can see what's happening with it. But let me show you what type of inverter we have. Is this Growatt inverter. So this one is a 5 kilowatt inverter. The model number it's SFP5000TL. HVM, a 5 kilowatt inverter. I'm going to power it on so that we can see what's the problem. I've got the battery here. Let's connect the battery. Okay, let's turn the camera down a little bit. Okay. Okay, let's switch on the inverter. The inverter is coming on. Okay, let's see what's the alarm. Yeah, it takes some time to show the alarm. So we've got alarm 53. So we've got 53 alarm. So I'm going to open it so that we can see where is the problem. Then we can try and fix it. Error 53 is the problem we are having on this inverter. Let's take out the battery terminal. Okay, I've already took it out, but I haven't worked on it. Just took out the cover. Alright. Okay, we are going to take out the MPPT board, the SCR board, the control board, and the main board underneath. Then we can test which one is the problem. Okay. Let's take out the tools. I'm taking out these nuts. Here's the nut. Okay, what the shit out there. So now let's take out it's time to take out the MPPT. Okay, we've got the MPPT board out. So I took out 2 screws for the control board, so we can remove it. Now we have to take out these back coils. Just shift the fan so that we can take out the board. Okay, we've opened the inverter. We found that the damage is on the board. So you can see this board was damaged by water. The water came wherever it was coming from, then it went straight to the board, and you can see the rust there and the residual. So this is definitely water damage. That's why it's giving you that alarm. So these kinds of problem, we need a microscope to see clearly where is the loose connection and what components got damaged. Okay, I'm on the table now. We are going to clean the board. Then we can see where is the problem. You can see the damage there, the water damage area. So to clean these residuals, we have to use the wire brush and the chemical, PCB cleaning chemical. So using this 530 chemical, you can see the mechanic 530. This is the chemical that we use. It's good because when you spray it, it evaporates, and then it won't stay there and affect some components. And it's non-conductive material. It's not like liquid where it will leave the residual like what we are seeing here. So this is the spray that we use for electronic boards. You can see it's even showed the PC boards, clean PCB. So this is a good spray for cleaning this. Okay, let's spray there. You can see the wire brush is cleaning it. Now I'm gonna move to the microscope level, then we can see. Let's go to the microscope. Okay, there you can see the damage on the microscope level. So it looks like the damage happened mostly here. So let's clean further. So it looks like this diode is no longer making contact. So it went out. I'm gonna put another diode there. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to change this diode, see this one, and change this resistor. You can see that the connection is no longer good, so we have to get another resistor and connect it to this diode. I'm sure this is the problem. You can see the track is also gone there, so the inverter is no longer reading voltage and it's giving you that alarm 53. So this resistor that we have to change there, it's a 68 kilo ohm resistor. We don't have the surface mount. We're gonna use the ordinary resistors. Let me show you the ones that we have here. So we're going to use these through-hole resistors. You can see there we've got the 68 kilo ohm resistor. The 68K, this is the type of resistor we're going to use. And then the diode ES3J, this is the diode that we are going to use there. So this is the diode we're going to use. I'm sure it's gonna help. Okay, let's take out the solder there. Let's take out the old soldering. Let's take out the resistor there. The reason we're changing this resistor is that we don't want loose connections. So if we don't change it, because it was rusted, the connection on the other side might not be good. You can see the 68 kilo ohm resistor. We've got a 68 kilo ohm resistor. This is the resistor we are going to use. So it's going to sit there. Let's put it like this. It's going to sit like that. That's all of there. See, one thing is in. Okay, now connecting our diode. So we've got the resistor in. There we are. We have the 68 kilo ohm resistor in and the diode that was damaged. Okay, let's go test the inverter. And we can see. You can see from the other video there. There is the point. So we're done with the microscope. I'm going to test this inverter. You can see the resistor and the diode that we changed there. Then we're going to test the inverter and see how it goes. Okay, let's test the inverter before we close it. I've already connected the control board, and it's only a control board and the power board there. There is the display. Okay. Look at that. So when you're testing, there's no need to connect the SCR board. We can test without it. And the MPPT. Just want to see if the inverter is working. Just remember, positive, it's on this side, and negative there. Okay, so we have to switch it on there. There's a point for switch there. You can just put a small screw.
Let's see. Let's look at the display.
So we're still having the 53. So let's go back to the table and see where's the problem. Okay, I'm back on the workbench. We are still having that error 53. So it means that there's more problems that we need to check and try and sort them out. Okay, so it's not easy to work with the inverters that has got the water damage. So now we're gonna test the resistance just to make sure that the resistance is okay. I'm gonna start with this one that we changed. You can see the multimeter there. I've got it on a resistance mode. Let's check the one that we changed. It is a 68 kilo ohm resistor. See, my probe is there. See, there is my two probes, the black and the red. I've got one there, the black one there, and the red one there. So we are having 68 kilo ohm. So this resistor there, it's connected to this resistor. You can see the trace there. It's coming straight here and then out there. So it means that when I connect the probe there on the other side of the resistor and here, I have to get the resistance. Let's check there. See, I've connected, but the multimeter is showing overload, which means that the connection is not good. It's no longer right. So the water damaged the connection there. So we have to change this resistor as well. And if you look at this, it's also not right. So this one is 01B. If we check there, we should get the resistance. 01B, it's a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Let's check there. See, on the multimeter, we're getting high resistance. It's more than a kilo ohm resistor. So let's check. I've got a replacement resistor there, 01B. Let's check just to make sure. You can see there is 01B. It's very, very tiny. Okay, let's measure this one. It's the same resistance. It's not gonna be easy. I just want to check the value of this resistor to make sure. See, there is 1 kilo ohm. So this resistor is the kilo ohm resistor, but on the other side we're getting more than a kilo ohm. You can see 1 kilo ohm. So we have to change that 01B, and also this 68 kilo ohm resistor, we have to change it. Yeah, let's do that now. Let's check out this one. We don't want to lose this. It's very tiny, it's easy to lose it. Let's keep it aside. Okay, let's check out these two resistors. I'm gonna use a hot air station. That one is out. This one is out. So both resistors are out. Let's put another resistor. This is 01B, this one. There's 01B, it's in. 01B, it's in. Let's get the 68 kilo ohm. That one we don't have a surface mount. We are going to use this resistors. We're gonna use this same as what we changed there. So we'll just have to make a plan to fit it there. So that's the point that you're gonna join. Since they were joined together, we're just gonna solder there. There we go. So we got both of our 68 kilo ohm resistors connected. Let's just measure. There we have 68 kilo ohm and 68 kilo ohm. So the resistance is good now. You can see 68 plus 68. There is the total value. So let's go test it and then we can see how it goes. We hope for the best now. Okay, I'm back on our test table. We changed those SMD resistors. Let me check and see how it goes now. I'm gonna test the board again. Let's connect the control board. Okay, let's switch on. So it looks like the problem is still not solved because the inverter is taking long to switch on. So we are still having error 53. So let's go back again and check to see what else can be wrong. Okay, we've done the replacement of those 68 kilo ohms resistors, but we're still having that error 53. It looks like there's more resistors that needs to be changed. Let's check there. You can see that 01C is not right. Yeah, let's check it. Let's change it. 01C. It's this one. This one doesn't look right. I've got some replacement resistor that's there. Let's look at this. Use this. This is from a donor board. Let's just change that. It's sharp now. Okay, there's another resistor there. You can see that one as well. 01C. It's this one there. Let's change it. So with water damage, you have to change lots of components, because they are surface mount, and the water, it eats the solder, and then they end up not connected there. Let's change this one, 01C. Let's put some sitting. So another one there. This one is 01B. Change it. So we've changed more resistors. Let's go back and test again and see how it goes. Okay, I'm back on the test bench. Let's test the inverter again, the board again. You can see these are the resistors that we've changed. Just hold on a second. You can see these are the resistors that we've changed. Those ones there, and the surface mount resistors, all of them are changed there. So now we are going to test it and see how it goes. Let's hope for the best. We've been doing trials and errors and not winning. So I'm just gonna use one screw there to switch on. So this 01 is just the fans, because the fans are not connected, but we're not interested on that. Just want to check if the inverter is working. Looks like the switch is not in. Okay, the switch is in properly. So the inverter is okay now. You can see we've got 230 out. It's okay. So there's no longer error 53. So this 01 is just the fence. Let's connect the fence and see how it goes. Okay, I've got the fans in, so let's switch it on. Let's see, the fans are spinning. Let's check there. You can see the inverter is running quietly. 229, 230 out, no alarm at all. So the inverter is repaired properly. You can see there. We've got 230 out, no alarm, it's sharp, no red light, 100%. So this is how we fix error 53. Hope this can help you to sort out this problem. Thank you very much, and I hope you will come back again to our channel. Thank you.